Okay guys, so I got here from the dealer the CFMoto Snorkel Kit for the UForce 1000. So this is the OEM snorkel kit that CFMoto sells. So this snorkel kit, it's the snorkel directly for the air filter and the CVT intake. So the air intake and the CVT intake, it does not do the CVT exhaust. So what we're gonna do is just install this kit today. And then what I'll do is I'll have to snorkel the CVT exhaust myself. So I don't understand really why they don't just do all three, but they don't. So here we go. Now there hasn't been a lot of videos on this. The only one I could find was on the UForce 600. So not a lot of information out there, it seems. And I still don't think US has them yet. It's just in Canada and, you know, European markets, Australia, whatever. Pretty straightforward looking instructions, literally just a printout. Okay, one of the and this part will go where the current intake boxes are. Nice. Like, look at this. Like, these are big. So this is nice. So let's see. Essentially, I don't know if I'll have to move, I might have to move my whips, but somewhere like this. So I think I will have to move the whips. We got one more. And that's it. I didn't realize this is all one piece. Like, this is nice. See what we got in this bag. Some screws, some nuts. Okay, these are the brackets that go on the actual roof, and then they mount on like here. Yeah, like that. Okay, so the first step on the instructions is actually to cut out this part of the bed, but I'm not going to do that first. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start, and I can't really record this in here, by pulling off these boxes. So we're just going to remove the pre-string. Okay, there we go. So this piece is going to sit right in there. What it does is it screws in to this plate. So just behind the back seat. So we got this piece on, and like I said before, essentially what's going to happen is here we're going to have our connection to add on this piece. That's good. That'll mount up to here. The holes are already in here, and these plates just go on like that. Now these pre-filters go in. Okay, next we're gonna put it comes with these stickers for the cutouts. Now, if you see here, and what you'll notice, you can see where the cut's supposed to take place regardless. But they give these sticker templates. Like if you look underneath, probably can't see it there, but you can see where you're supposed to cut. So I'm gonna put the sticker on, and then we'll get to cutting. So you can see it, like they want you to cut, like the way they built it is they already had this support here. So I just need to come in and shave some of this off and clean that up. So I'm just gonna go back over it again with the old jigsaw. Just gonna pull that off and then get that connected, but I can't really record and get in there, so I'm just gonna do that now. Okay, so I got the pieces mounted up. I took the whips off because, yeah, they are in the way, so I'll have to deal with that later. I need to get behind here to mount the screw nuts, so we got to remove the back seats. Yeah, okay, they just pull off. We got this one fitted up, so I just screwed it in for now. Actually, let me get this seat off. So here's where the nuts are gonna go. So we'll do that later. So we just have to kind of line up where we want this and then mount that to the roof, but I'm just gonna get started on this side. As you can see, I got it all mounted up. I still got to put the nuts on the back side, and the only other thing then I now just need to mount the actual snorkels to the roof. Now what I've seen is on the UForce 600 at least, there are points in the actual roof, like little marks, where you need to drill this hole. On the 1000, I don't see anything. So I'm trying to just decide like how far up this is supposed to go. Like, I don't know if it's supposed to be this far or here. I'm thinking I want it to be like here so that I can get in here and remove this filter and clean it whenever I need to. So I think that looks pretty good. So I'm just going to measure, see where that is, and then make sure I match it up on the other side too. This we're just kind of winging it here. So we're 7 inches. I think we're just going to send this. Yeah. Because of the snorkel, the way I had my light bars or the way I had my whips didn't work, so now I'm just bending off the bracket, and as you can see, this one's looking pretty good. So they were just straight up before. This is better anyway. So I'm just gonna finish up the other side. Okay, so we're finally done. I got the snorkels on, as you can see. I also modified my whip mounts so that they work, and trimmed out the cuts for the snorkel kit so that it's perfect. So good kit. Liking it, so I'm gonna run it for a bit and we'll see how it does. Hopefully I don't rip it off on any trees. But yeah, there it is. Okay, there it is, all done. Thanks for watching.